Hello students, today we are going to discuss third part of our chapter acid, bases and salt. So in the third part we will discuss about base. Okay. So what is a base? Any substance which can give OH negative ion in water is known as base. तो कोई भी सब्सटेंस वाटर के अंदर अगर OH नेगेटिव आयन रिलीज करता है तो वो सब्सटेंस क्या होगा? बेस होगा। OH नेगेटिव आयंस को हम हाइड्रोक्साइड आयन भी कह सकते हैं। सो OH नेगेटिव आयन, अगर वो OH नेगेटिव आयंस देता है दैट मीन्स हम उसको बोलेंगे एसिडिटी ऑफ बेस। एसिडिटी ऑफ बेस का मतलब क्या होता है? हाउ मेनी OH नेगेटिव आयन इट कैन गिव इन वाटर। रिप्लेसेबल OH नेगेटिव आयन कितने होते हैं एक बेस के पास? ओके, मतलब OH नेगेटिव आयंस कितने दे सकता है वाटर के अंदर, वो उसकी क्या क्या कहलाती है? एसिडिटी कहलाती है बेस की। Suppose we have an example of sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide कितने OH नेगेटिव आयन दे सकता है? Only one. So its acidity is 1. Same we have potassium hydroxide, and if we take example of magnesium hydroxide, it can give 2 OH negative ions, so its acidity is 2. Okay, so this is all about acidity. Now those base which are soluble in water are known as alkali. Those bases which are soluble in water, they are known as alkalis. Okay, उनको alkalis बोलते हैं. Now we have two types of base. One is strong base and one we have weak base. So what do you mean by strong base? Okay, so if we dissolve base in water and that base completely आयनाइज्ड, मतलब पूरी तरह से आयंस में टूट जाती है जो बेस, तो उसको हम क्या कहेंगे? स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस कहेंगे। फॉर एग्जांपल KOH, पोटेशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड एंड सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, these are strong base. ये पानी में डालने पर पूरी तरह से आयंस में टूट जाते हैं। Like we have sodium hydroxide and then it break down into Na positive and OH negative in water. Okay, and weak base which partially ionized, which are partially ionized, means which are not completely ionized. Okay, they are weak base. For example, we have calcium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide, Okay, ammonium hydroxide is an example of weak base. Suppose we have magnesium hydroxide, इसको वाटर में डिसोल्व करते हैं तो क्या बनेगा हमारा Mg2 पॉजिटिव आयंस and 2 H negative ions. So these are weak base. So now we have strong base and weak base. Okay. So next we will discuss properties of base. So next is properties of base. अभी हमने डिस्कस किया था जनरल इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ द बेस. नाउ वी हैव प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ बेस. So base are number one property. ऐसे करते हैं. First, base are bitter in taste and they are soapy in touch. अगर हम टच करें तो चीकने होते हैं साबुन की तरह. And second property, a base can turn red litmus to blue. This already we discussed in our previous video, which is based on indicators. Third property, base are good conductor of electricity. Both acid and base are conductor of electricity. Okay. Then fourth property is base react with metal to form salt and hydrogen gas. Okay, इसको ऐसे लिखते हैं हम. Base plus metal. Okay. Then example. Base we have sodium hydroxide. For metal we can take zinc, and we have sodium zincate. Sodium zincate plus hydrogen gas. Fifth property, base react with non-metal oxide. एसिड किसके साथ रिएक्ट करते थे? मेटल ऑक्साइड के साथ. ऐसे ही बेस क्या करेंगे? नॉन मेटल ऑक्साइड के साथ रिएक्ट करके एंड दे विल फॉर्म salt and water. Okay, so we have an example of base sodium hydroxide. Non-metal oxide आप कुछ भी ले सकते हैं. Like we have here we can take CO2. Okay, and then we have sodium carbonate and water. Non-metal oxides में हम ले सकते हैं SO2, SO3. These are all non-metal oxide. Okay. Next, sixth property. This already we done in acid. Base react with acid to form salt and water. This already we discussed in our previous video in properties of acid. We have example of sodium hydroxide and we have acid HCl, and then we get sodium chloride, salt and water, and this reaction is known as neutralization oxidation. Okay. So this is all about base. In next video, we'll discuss some phenomena which are totally dependent on neutralization. So thank you.